Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you two different recipes using radish leaves and also radish. I'm going to harvest some of my radish leaves from my garden. I'm going to try if I trim the leaves, whether the radish will grow or not. I'm going to try that. So if it is successful, that means the video will get released. Otherwise, I will not release the video. So I hope everything should be alright. I'm going to cut some leaves. Let's go and cut it, and then we'll prepare two different recipes using radish leaves. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you're watching Nageshwari's kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video.
Hello.
Pick one. What you did? You break it. Why you break the radish?
I didn't do purpose.
ஏன்டா முள்ளங்கி உடைச்ச? Let's start our first dish. So I'm using two radish. This is from my garden as well. First wash completely, and then we are going to chop them into fine pieces, including the radish leaves. So do not wash after you chop them, because all the vitamins will go off in the water. So wash it thoroughly a couple of times, then chop them finely like this. So I'm using the stems as well. It gives you nice crunchy flavor. So I'm going to chop radish into fine pieces. You can grate this as well with the bigger holes, but I prefer chopping them, so I'm going to chop it. So like this, and then if you see the pieces, it should be like this. So it will cook faster if you chop them into small pieces, otherwise it will take time to cook. So take a pan, add around 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil, add some mustard seeds. It has to crackle, wait for that, and add some cumin seeds. I'm using half a teaspoon. To this I'm adding finely chopped 1 onion. Add to this oil. So we are going to saute the onion just for 1 minute. So we are not going to cook till it gets brown color. We are going to just, if it's turned into translucent, that's more than enough. Add some salt, so the onion will get fried quicker. I'm using a mud pot today. So this pot I purchased it from Murugan stores in Point Cook. So once the onion is become translucent, we are adding radish pieces. So radish will take little bit of time to cook than the leaves. That's why I'm adding radish leaves first. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this well, and then we are going to cover this and cook for 3 minutes. And then we will add our radish leaves. So we are going to cook radish first. So do not cook like a mashed consistency, just cook until you get a crisp, crunchy texture. So this is after 3 minutes, the radish is half done. So that's the texture I want. If you want mashed consistency, you can cook more as well. It's your choice. And to this I'm adding radish leaves. Radish leaves will cook faster, but the stem, it will take like 1 or 2 minutes. As I said, I like the crunchy texture. It will give you a nice taste when you mix it with the rice or even rotis or sandwich. So I'm going to cook 2 more minutes. with radish and leaves. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare a powder. To this, I'm using 6 dried red chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. I roasted these peanuts into just a dry roast. You don't have to add oil. Blend first the chilies, crush the chilies, then we will add peanuts and garlic. So just pulse it couple of times. So we are not going to make it into a fine powder, just like this consistency is more than enough. If you see some chunk pieces of garlic also, it's fine. I'm using 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. I actually forgot to take out from freezer, that's why it looks like that. So this is a shredded coconut. You can use desiccated coconut as well. So after 2 minutes, this leaves and radish is almost is ready. Now keep the flame on low, and then we are going to add the spices mixed with coconut. Just mix it once, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. I have already shared my sambar powder recipes. I'll give you the link in the description box below. You can refer that if you missed to watch. You can use any sambar powder that you are using. This will give you nice flavor and consistency for rice. If you don't want to eat with rice, you can skip adding sambar powder. But if you are using it for sandwich or chapati roll, add sambar powder. It will give you nice flavor and taste. So I'm using rice here. You can use millet as well. You can replace, instead of rice, you can use any millet variety as well. You can steam any millets that you want to use and then do the same procedure that I'm following. So now I'm going to mix this with rice. So the rice has to cool down a little bit, otherwise the rice will break and will become mushy. So we're going to mix it gently. Do not break the rice. You can use any rice. I'm using today Sona Masuri rice. You can use basmati rice as well. Mix it gently, and then I'll show you how it turned up. It's a yummy delicious radish leaves rice. So if you buy radish leaves, do not throw the leaves. It's so healthy. Look at the consistency, and it looks so good, and you can feel the crunchy radish and the radish leaves. Just have some potato fry or chips along with this, it goes very well. இங்கே இந்த இலசு விட்டுட்டு நம்ம சைடில் இருக்கிறதா கட் பண்ணணும். Harvesting is done. Now let's prepare the second dish with egg and radish leaves. So the second recipe is radish leaves with egg. So the same like how we prepare egg stir fry or egg burji. So the same way I'm going to include my radish leaves as well in this. So if you want to have dinner without any carbs, you can just do this and have one big bowl of this radish leaves and egg. Your stomach will be full as well as it will be really nutritious, and also you can have this in your breakfast as well. So definitely try this recipe, two different recipes. Your family will enjoy. So the radish leaves with egg, you can have it if you're following paleo or keto diet. So you can include this. It'll be really awesome, delicious taste. So chop them into fine pieces as we did for the first dish. It's the same procedure. Take a pan, add around 1 tablespoons of oil. I'm using peanut oil today, so you can use any oil. You can use olive oil or sunflower or canola. It's your choice. You can use any oil. Once it's heated up, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once it's splattered, we are going to add 1 onion finely chopped. You can add more onion if you want. It will give you nice taste as well. If you want more quantity, you can do that. I'm using salt so that the onion will get cooked faster. We are going to cook the onion till it turns into golden brown color. To this I'm adding 2 green chilies, and I'm also going to use chili powder as well to this dish. So you can adjust it according to your spicy level. You can skip adding chili powder as well if you feel it is too spicy. Now it's time to add radish leaves. We are going to cook these leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. We want that crunchy texture. I like that crunchy texture. That's why I will cook only 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. It goes very well with egg. You can eat this along with sandwich or roti or chapati. It goes very well. Do not throw radish leaves. Cover and then cook for 2 minutes. Let's open this. This is almost done. Now it's time to add the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. As I said, because we use green chilies and chili powder, so you can adjust it according to your spicy level. We don't need too many spices to this recipe. I'm using 3 eggs. You can use 4 to 5 eggs as well. It's based on how much radish leaves that you have. This is actually 2 cups of radish leaves. Check the eggs before you pour into your dish, because sometimes if the egg is spoiled, so do not break the eggs directly to your dish. So always check in a separate bowl, then it will be good, and also you will be in safer side, so your dish won't get spoiled. So do not mix too much, gently mix, because I like the egg burjis. If I get some big chunks of egg pieces, that's why I always mix gently to get some pieces. So the egg will be coated along with these radish leaves and onion. You will get very nice texture, and also the taste is amazing. Try this recipe. You can replace radish leaves. Instead of radish leaves, you can use spinach or amaranth leaves. Methi leaves goes well, but you will feel little bit bitter taste if you use methi leaves. So try using spinach. It goes very well. So you will definitely love it with spinach as well. You can try that as well. So check salt consistency and add according. So do not throw the radish leaves anymore. Try these recipes. You will definitely love it. It's so delicious and also healthy as well. If you are following any diet, please include this in your meal. It will help you to lose your weight as well. So I'm following some diets. So I'm all regularly including this radish leaves and also radish in my meal.
Now add rice. So as I said, you can use
Shaving
any type of rice that you want to
Video.
add in your meal. So I'm adding around 2 cups of rice. So for this 2 cups of rice, you can see so much of leaves and egg. So it's full of vitamins and it's a healthy dish. As I said, you can always replace with rice for with millets, or you can also stuff this mixture with sandwich and chapatis if you want to. Always try different recipes and feed healthy meal to your family. Try this recipe at home and please leave your comments. Everybody will get benefit out of it. If you tried with some other leaves, please mention that also so we can try as well. So mixing is done, then turn off the flame. It's ready to serve. It looks so amazing. It's ready to serve. You can serve this rice along with papad or chips or potato fry or any vegetable stir fry. It goes very well. Mushroom stir fry also goes very well with this dish. Try and please leave your
Yeah,
valuable
it's
comments in the comment section below.
Mullangi kheer. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.